Okay guys, back at it again. Thought I'd do this video to follow up what I got going on right now. Okay, I'm still getting a high SWR. I tried everything in the book. Excuse me. I had to buy a walk mount, which you see down there, that I got the antenna laying down because I was unable to lift the antenna and put it up on the thing. So I had to figure out a different way to do it because I've got a bad back and bad rotor cups, and my right hip isn't doing too good. So, you know, it really bothered me I had a friend to help me try to do it the first time when I didn't have the walk mount, and it was really hard for me. So I had to get the walk mount. The walk mount is a blessing. It makes it very easy. All you have to do is walk it up and put a pin in it and it's up. But let me tell you what's going on. I still got a high SWR. I got it grounded right here. I got the coax on right here. I even tried putting another type of coax that I had already on here, and it did the same thing. It gave me, I mean, it's pegging on an SWR. As you see, when I put the antenna up, it goes up right there. There's a tree limb and all that right there, but I don't think that has nothing to do with it. It's not really a real open area, but it's still, I should be able to, I'm getting good receive, but I'm not getting good transmit. That's the problem. I moved these all over the place to try to figure this out, to try to set the SWR, and it made some kind of movement when I went all the way up. But I shouldn't be pegging out like that. I'm pegging, man. I'm pegging. I don't understand it. Another thing I did, I put a washer in between here. I don't know if that has any effect of it, but I will take it back off. I don't know. I do have the little ones with the little ridges on there I can put back on there. The antenna, I don't know how high the antenna actually is going up beside my trailer, but I've got some power lines right here, so I could go 5 more foot. I got another piece of pole over there. I might do that after I order some more ground wire, and then I got another short piece of ground wire that I can go from that box. Let me show you here. Excuse me. The box right here, I'm gonna ground it. The walk-up box, ground it somewhere in a hole right here, and then go to the ground right there. I've got the ground just sitting in there just in case the lightning hits it right there. But anyway, this is how you do it. You walk it up, put this in there, and I'm also gonna put like a stick out brace right here later on after I get this SWR problem solved. Now, like I said, I switched to coaxes and I couldn't figure out what the heck the problem was. I mean, it's still giving me pegging on a high SWR. I mean, I couldn't even get it out of the red. I thought maybe that it was the radio or the power supply, so I switched to the new power supply. I even put a newer radio that I had on it, which I didn't like doing that, but I was kind of like up against the wall. I didn't know what was going on. So I tried it one time with a newer radio, and then I seen the SWR because it had a built-in SWR. I thought maybe it might have been the SWR meter, and it pegged it out again. So that's when I said, well, something's wrong here. It's got to be the antenna because I've checked everything. Now, I bought these mounts, the ground mounts right here. The ground mounts, I can't remember what they cost. I don't know if they helped it out any, but, you know, like I said, I don't know. It just still pegging a high SWR, and I can't figure it out. I don't know. Now, in other words, did I do something wrong here? Which I don't think I did. It's mounted, everything's mounted right. I got the screws inside the wood that holds the antenna on. Now I will have, like I said, I will have to put a high mount on it just to hold it sturdy when that's up, because the wind does get kind of bad up here sometimes. And yeah, I don't know. Anybody got any suggestions? Let me know. I did contact the man I bought the antenna from, and he said, no, he hadn't said nothing. What am I saying? He hasn't wrote me back yet, so I don't even know if he's going to answer me, to tell you the truth. But I paid like 80 something dollars, close to 90 with shipping on this. And I don't know, I want to, like I said, I got beautiful receive, great receive on this. This is good receive. You know, I got an older radio hooked up to it. I'm picking up people way far away, skip on the lower side and everything. The problem is the transmit part. When I go to key, check the SWRs, it's not doing very good. Now, am I grounding out somewhere here? No. Nothing's touching right there. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. These are in place. Move these all around. I couldn't get no kind of I mean, pegging that high is just very, very unusual. I don't understand. It should be down like a 3 in the good area, but pegging that all the way over. And like I said, I got it down a little bit, but not out of the red area when I moved these all the way up right here. And it's still not working. But anyway, I'm kind of up against the wall. I got a multimeter. I got a multimeter coming so I can check the antenna. Now, how I do that, and I've got to do some studying up on that and figure out how to do a multimeter test, to tell you the truth, because I don't know nothing about that crap. But I have put up CB antennas in the past, and I've never had problems like I'm having right now. It doesn't make any sense. Like I said, I'm going to try to get some sawhorses for this thing so I can set this thing down during storms and all that. But anyway, trying to get some feedback. Nobody gave me feedback on the first video I did. I sure would appreciate it if somebody would give me some feedback on this. Tell me if you see something wrong. Like I said, got that right there. It's mounted on the wood right there. And got the pole mounted right there. And the ground's coming. I really don't have everything secure right now because I had to take it back down until I got my walk up, because that was killing me, man. My damn back and my damn hips was killing me, and my rotor cups. God, can't take that crap. But anyway, like I said, I appreciate if you could help me out. If you see something wrong, please say something. Or is it just a lack of technology on my behalf? Alright guys, I'm going to let you go. I appreciate the input or anything. Got a comment, please comment and let me know something, okay? I'm going to put this video up right now. Try to get it out there. But like I said, I got these right here. I bought these and put this on here, the ground thing. And to what I see, I think it's mounted right. Yeah, they said put it on the rim, right close to the rim where the adjuster screws are to change the SWRs. And I couldn't get that thing to move hardly. So evidently, I think it's the antenna. Like I said, I wrote the guy and he's supposed to respond back to me, but I don't know. Tell him I think I got a bad antenna, but I got a multimeter coming. So anyway, guys, give me some feedback. Thanks. I'll talk to you later. This is 2:55. We're down.